Industrial Revolution. The world's most important revolution was the Industrial Revolution. It was during this time that machines were introduced to carry out the work that was till then done by humans. This revolution, which began during the 18th century in England, spread towards Western Europe, North America, Japan, and other places. By this time, Europe was at the peak of scientific research. It was then that Richard Arkwright was working on water frame, and James Hargreaves' research on spinning jenny was going on. As Samuel Crompton combined these two inventions and designed the spinning machine, many cotton mills came up. The invention of the steam engine was one of the greatest milestones of this era. In 1705 CE, Thomas Malcolmus invented a steam engine, and the year 1801 witnessed Richard Trevithick fix Watts's steam engine to a train carriage which he made to move on the road. He later invented a steam engine that would move on its own on the rail tracks. In 1815 CE, George Stephenson invented a goods carrier. To supplement this, a railway line was built for transporting industrial produce from Liverpool to Manchester. Also, in order to establish a line of contact with the manufacturing units, they built the North West England Bridgewater. All these inventions that took place during the Industrial Revolution brought about colossal changes and was an inspiration to the modern world.